problem that has persisted with the Rockit flight computer is not being able to rotate the servo 180 degrees. The servo library says, hey, you should be able to do that, but for some reason it only not rotates 90 degrees. And I thought it's because this servo motor says MG90, so I thought, okay, that's 90 degrees. Then I go to the internet and it seems that that's not the case. This is a 180 degree motor. So what's going on? I want to change the duty cycle of the PWM signals with a signal generator to find what is the 0 position and the 180 degree position. For this test, I'm using the signal generator of the Adam 2000, and this cannot provide enough power to move a servo motor, but what it does is it generates the control signal. So here I have connected the waveform generator straight into the control pin of the servo motor, and then I'm supplying power using this board mount micro USB connector. As you can see, I can do very fine adjustments of only 0.1% duty cycle, and you can hear the servo moving in the background. For a duty cycle of 13.9%, that is pulses that are 2780 microseconds wide, then we go to the 180 degree position. Now if I change to a duty cycle of 2.7%, that is 540 microsecond wide pulses, we are at the 0 position. I have updated the firmware based on the values that I obtained from the signal generator, so let's test this now. Turning on the power. Okay, now this is the 180 degree position. Now I go to 0 and it goes to 0. So now it rotates 180 degrees. You can download the files to upgrade the firmware from my GitHub repository, and you will find a link on the video description down below. Thank you for watching, and until next time.